Drop here in my head. Michael, take a fucking cough drop.
They're pushing us, they're pushing us, they're pushing us on the roof, they're pushing us on the roof, come on. Help us.
How many gang members?
I don't know. We have counted.
Guys, he's
Check out the parameters, check out the parameters.
Taxi back, they're gonna push out from...
Guys, are you inside the parameter?
Yes. We smoked them all, I think, I guess.
Take over the roof, it will be easy first. Take over the roof.
Bobby, call everybody upstairs fast. We don't have time.
I'm calling.
Everybody come upstairs, We don't have time. Come first.
Everyone,
We have a
come
special
up.
operation as well.
I know the director.
Hey, what's happening?
If you guys don't know, just let me know. I'll wait you guys in the lobby and you will follow me.
Okay, now getting cars, come on.
No. There is still. Arrest them.
They might be...
Wolves are down.
No, checks back ops. Back ops.
We already checked. We killed in the back.
I've got 3 10-15 in the back.
And we've got 5 10-15s at the roof. Oh, no, we got 2
Then.
10-15s. Good check.
Good check.
Pass this lady.
Which, this guy?
I need
Heli on the
one
roof.
more with me.
We need heli on the roof. We need heli on the roof.
I need one more with me in the roof, at the roof. Come on guys. All active units who all are
can you grab the bus arm?
come upstairs,
I'm gonna
come
press
upstairs
upstairs
guys, come upstairs. We have a special
Radio
operation
check.
as well. We have to wrap
Good
up
check.
this fast.
guys. Everyone, leave the gun store 1019. Leave the gun store 1019. Quick.
Everyone's
We
late.
still have
We just have to
10-15
process them.
No worries. Leave them. 1019.
Are you sure? Leave
Confiscate. Leave them and 1019.
It's...
10-4.
Are you sure? Okay, I'll leave.
it's corruption. You cannot just lose 10-15.
You do the same at gang and BM ready. Is it corruption?
Gang and BM raid, you just don't cuff, but we already cuffed them, they're in the cuffs. They're in the
Does not
customs.
matter. You
We
can leave.
want to process that 10
Doesn't matter. Just confess.
Buddy, take them in the heli,
Go ahead.
You are in my head. Please
I
come.
mean, I guess, okay.
And everybody
Okay, sir,
come
I'm gonna
fast,
search you.
We don't have time. We have
I'm
a
gonna
special
confiscate all
operation
these
as well.
items.
Yo, get inside the heli.
We are at the HQ, come upstairs at the lecture.
So I'm gonna cuff you, I'm gonna
Coming,
cuff
sir,
you, you're
coming.
free to go, come on.
So we are leaving them.
Yeah, leave them.
Yeah.
Does someone want to come with me, heli?
I have car also, it's in front of store, my god. If someone wants to come. Wait, our region's down?
Guys, take all of them out of the perimeter and then we can leave.
Bro.
Yo, what the man? Man, mess you up. Be alright.
Guys, take all of the 10-15s outside of the perimeter.
Jumbo, what's your 1020?
Guys, everybody take seat fast. We don't have time.
I still have space in my car, you want the pick up?
And please, everybody come upstairs at lecture fast. We don't have time.
Man, get in guys, you don't need power system, just get in. Fast, Blaze, and March, get in. you 2 minutes.
All are at outside, just come.
There's like 6 balas in the store. Can we just take them out of the perimeter at least?
But just come to HQ. Have a special operation. We don't have time.
10-4.
Give us 10 minutes. We are processing the